Right guys, we're coming with something different today. Something that I was 50-50 on doing, but I think I really need to upload this. So obviously we all know I do RC, I've had the channel for a long time. Planes, cars, boats, drones, etc. They've all been there. So I've recently got myself a new DJI Mini Pro 4 and I'm really getting into a little bit of sort of photography as well as doing the filming. So I was at my work a few days ago and I was watching an aeroplane coming in from, well, basically into Edinburgh Airport from Dunfermline, which is across the water. So there's a river there and there's some bridges and the planes come round and you can sometimes see them landing. So I was out with my vape at work on a break and I thought, zoomed in with my phone, got an iPhone 15, which is here, and basically I just took a picture of it. And as I was taking the picture of it, I seen something flying across it. And I was so busy, I got distracted with other things at work, I never really got to have a proper look at what I'd actually took. So when I got home, it came back into my mind. And on the iPhone, when you take a picture, I mean, a lot of you guys will know you'll have them, but you've got iPhone Live. So when you take the picture, it's almost like if you hold it, it makes a little movie and you can see exactly what you've took. And in this picture, which I turned into a movie, the thing I seen is definitely there, but it's incredible footage. So it's like a little chrome orb, and it goes past the plane, and it goes off camera, and either another one comes or it's turned round, and so it went like that. If my head's a plane, my big bald head, if it came like that and went round and up and disappeared, at an incredible rate, like a speed that I can't even comprehend. Even on all the frames, it's not even fully capturing every frame. Some are great, but on the slow-mo you can see how fast this is travelling. So I've got the footage, I'm going to upload that just now, the video and all the stills and some of it I've zoomed into enhance. Like I say, it's not like a joke gimmicky video, it's not something that I'm like trying to do for views or anything, it's purely, I don't know what this thing is and it is driving me insane. So whatever it is either, in my opinion, like a government, some kind of weird drone. I'm not going to say aliens because that sounds crazy, but I couldn't rule it out because whatever you see here is something that nobody sees. I mean, I've heard the things around this area here and there people seeing, but I've caught this on film, and when you look at it, complete by chance how I've caught it, I don't know what it is. So have a look at it, see what you guys think, leave something in the comments. If you're new to the channel, regardless of this, even from RC stuff, please drop me a like and subscribe for all the time it takes. But this footage is legit, so if anybody can enhance things better than I can, other than just zooming in, I'm more than happy to send it to people to have a look at. But untampered with, straight off my phone, I've just tried my best to show you what I've seen, and I have no fucking idea what I've seen, guys, honestly. So have a look at it, see what you think. One thing I will guarantee with this though is it's not anything close to the camera, it's not like a little fly, it's not something like that. The distance it appears in this video is legitimately real, and when you look at it you can see it's metallic with the way the sun's reacting on it also as well, which gives you a good indication that I'm not bullshit. I mean, I've got no reason to bullshit. I do my RC hobby, I like uploading videos, and all the guys that know me know what I'm like. So yeah, if you've got any ideas or you've seen something similar, drop something in the comments and let's try and figure out what this is. But I'll be going back to RC after this video. It's not like I'm trying to go down a different route or anything like that. I'm trying to make this clear. It's just something that I've caught by utter chance, and I want to show everybody, and I've got a wee platform to do that obviously with my YouTube. So see what you think, and yeah, leave a comment. And my head is minced ever since I've seen it. I just keep on looking at it over and over and over, and the more I look at it, the stranger it gets and the more I can't understand what I've seen. So yeah, here we go, watch the video guys and leave me a comment.